Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back into the channel. I know it's been a while since I produced any content. Been sick with the flu, and then I had some tooth aches which had to be dealt with, so it wasn't a fun ride the last 3-4 weeks for me, and I've kind of just been resting up, getting well. But now it's all behind me, so we're back jumping in on automotive content, winter driving, the VT365 Ford Power Stroke, and today we are going to jump in with the Toyota Tundra on a set of Predator side steps. So you don't want to miss this. Let's buckle up and go for a ride in the Tundra and get my next mod all done up. Well everybody, hope everybody's doing good. Christmas is around the corner and Santa Claus should be bringing us some awesome mods. This was a gift from my mom for a set of Predator side steps. These are a Toyota OEM side steps, and I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. We're going to talk a little bit about why I chose the Predator side steps and everything else. Now I was going to go with a set of actual rock rails for some hardcore off-roading to protect the rocker panels and for a little bit better armored up. But I decided to not go that road. I was going to, but I decided to change my mind and just go with a set of OEM. This is a very light rotor. I don't anticipate needing any of the hard rock. It's just going to be making me choose my lines a little bit better or omit some trail riding. But for the most part of where I'm going to be taking the Tundra, these Predator side steps will still offer a little bit of good protection and offer a little bit more clearance. So I went with the Predator side step. I'm going to put the manufacturer's part number online, so if you like this design and you've got a 22, 23 Tundra, go ahead and look at these part numbers. This is a Canadian one, so I'm not sure if there's any difference from the US. There may or may not be, don't know about that. So best to check with your dealer or your Toyota parts technician. The best part of these side steps, I like the style of them. And when I unbox them, you'll see why I went with this style. The other thing is Toyota already incorporated the hardware kit for installation, so I did not have to purchase the bolt kit. They're already pre-done. They're already anchored into the truck, so all I have to do is when I pull it into this garage, unbolt them, and that kit, the bolts that come with the truck will be compatible with these side steps. Another benefit of sticking with Toyota OEM parts. So that's kind of where we're at. So anyway guys, I'm going to show you what these look like. So come on over here. We'll unbox the Toyota Predator steps. Well guys, here they are. And the description is the Predator D. It's a double cab, so I've got the cab that'll fit, which is the Crewmax. And then it's textured black. And there's your part number if you're looking for it. So I'll just hold that on for a second so you can take a look. Everything again is inside. Here is just the side steps. There's no hardware in it, no brackets or anything. It's basically undo the bolts that are in your Toyota at the moment, which comes equipped from the factory. Line these up, bolt them in. Should be pretty simple. So hopefully I have the extension or any of the type of hardware that or the tools that I can make sure that I can install them properly. But anyway, there you guys go. Let's go and unwrap this and see what they look like. Well guys, here they are, the Predator side steps. They're very lightweight, so they're kind of like an aluminum build. So again, it wouldn't really serve well if you're going to go hardcore and you need a set of rock rails. These ones here will be mounted to the cab, so you're not going to have the structural integrity to take any real major hits. But these are low profile enough, they'll still do a little bit of protection. And yeah, they look really well made. Here's a nice step. So it's kind of grippy, so if it gets all the snow and ice on it, it looks pretty good. Again, these are a Toyota OEM, so they're designed and built for your Toyota Tundra. So there's going to be a few mounting holes, I guess, I got to look at. There's 2, 4, 6, and 8, which is pretty good. Some of the aftermarkets that I were looking at were only about 6 mounting holes, so this one here does offer a little bit more. These are approximately just under $1,000, around $900 and change from my dealer here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And of course, they had them in stock, so I didn't have to wait. And they do come with some really nice style. So we're gonna go bring the truck in. We're gonna get on this job. Shouldn't take more than an hour, I'm guessing. Hopefully it goes smooth. And yeah, then we'll show you what the final job looks like and see how they function. Alright guys, now that we're underneath the Toyota Tundra, we get to see where we're going to be anchoring things. Now, not sure if you can see so good. Like I said, the lighting is a little bit... We got two bolts that are parallel side by side. I don't think we used those ones, but of course we're going to be using these ones. So it's going to be, I counted in this series the amount that's needed, 8 of them, and they're just all around the bottom of the rocker panel. So this sits into the sheet metal of the truck. So anyway guys, it's 13 millimeters. I'm not going to do a total install job. I might just stop the camera and show you kind of the progress where I'm going with it. But basically this is where you're going to be starting. Now, one of them is notched, so I think I can just unbolt it a little bit, slide it as it stays in there, and then bolt it up, and then do the outboard so it can stay nice and simple, and then tighten them all up. So hopefully it goes that easy. If there's any issues that I run into, I will report them. But yeah, this is what you're looking for. The existing hardware is there, so it makes it a lot easier. Well, everybody, they went on pretty well. I only did the left side. I just got to tighten up the bolts, but basically that's what you're looking at with the brackets. Again, sorry about the light and the focus. Try to get a little bit better production for you. But yeah, basically those bolts already come with the truck, so you just have to unscrew them and then line it up and put your bolts back in and check your work, align it. So I made sure everything is good on the outside and make sure it's all aligned. So now all I got to do is go in here, tighten them up, switch the vehicle around, and do the other side, and then yeah, show you the finished product. So no real complications. This job, I would say, is very easy, and I would say could be accomplished by anybody of any type of small mechanical aptitude with just their basic 13 mil socket and wrench. Well, everybody, there they are. They're all installed. Took about a half an hour, I would say. I had just your basic tools with 1/4 inch ratchet with 13 mil. It would have been handier if I had a extension, but again, just makes it look good. But anyway, those are your Predator side steps, and these are OEM quality. So far, they work really well. I got to get used to them, but anyway, I take a size 11, and they work really well. The big test is with my mom. These are the Christmas gifts she got me, but they're more for her than me. Again, I don't think they stick too low. They might offer a little bit of entanglements off-roading, but again, I'm not going to go really, really hardcore, and I got to pick my lines a little bit better. But it's a nice finish. They probably will protect this against some rock trips and stuff like that. Again, they had different styles, other ones that may not stick down as low, but again, I needed more of a step as well. And so that's the latest mod for my 2023 Toyota Tundra SR. So again, very easy mod to install, under $1,000, very functional, very stylish, and I think they'll work really, really well. So that's basically it for the mods for this year. It's already almost Christmas time, so again, the next one I'm going to do is more of a maintenance thing, is I got to give this thing a coat of wax, which I'll do a video on that. I got the ballast in there for extra weight, so that keeps the back end more planted down on icy and slippery traction surfaces. So she's looking good. Truck's doing good. Just a bit over 1,000 kilometers. Haven't driven that much since I've been ill, so hopefully we can get the winter driving series started if winter will get here. It's been pretty mild here so far, so it's been a little bit of a challenge to get any of the activities and filming type I want. But I think what I'm going to do is this weekend take her on a little bit of an off-road trail and demonstrate the four-wheel drive system for you guys. But anyway guys, that is the Predator side step install from Toyota. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Cordetti Motorsports. You guys stay loose for now.